and I was thinking about. So today I was thinking that how to elaborate this topic, because this topic is very beautiful topic, job versus business. Like it's related to money, and we know that how much money is important to us. Either it comes
Yeah.
from job or it comes from business. Money is important for us. If we are getting good salary at job, then we will like to do job. If we are getting a better salary in business, then we will like to do business. So it's all circulate about money, right, sir?
Yeah, but
So
Rishabh, I have one question for you. Yeah, because I read some successful business person biography. So that time he was having no money, and means today, not only one person. I think lots of successful person like they got too much success in business. So how do possible? You told
okay,
about
okay.
like
So I was
yeah.
very, very important topic you touched. I was coming here only. So today I was trying to elaborate a life history of a person, because the person we know today who is successful, they are successful because they are in business, and we know them because they are in business and they earn a lot of money, right, sir? We don't know the name of any person who is doing job and is so much successful that we can type his name in on Google, and we can get his salary, expenditure, his biography, his history, right, sir? So only businessmen are there, which we can see on Google. So there is a businessman known as Jeff Bezos. I think you heard this name, Jeff Bezos.
Yes.
So he's the richest person of the world. So he's a businessman. It's not like that he has never done jobs. He completed his graduation, and then he done jobs in many companies like Intel and Bell. Yes, he done jobs in many companies. But after that, he wanted to earn a lot of money. So then he started his own startup. He started
So I
with
think,
a online bookstore.
Rishabh, in my opinion, I think peoples they have a big desire. Okay, peoples they have a
Yes,
means a big dream. So how to possible? I think only one way. People say they can do business. 100% we will get 100% according our goal, because I think people they do work in under any company, any like government job and private job. I think they never means fulfill our dream. So in this way, I think I 100% supported businessmen. Yeah, Ranjit sir, what is your opinion?
Yeah. Yeah. Good evening to all of you, and thanks for giving me this opportunity to share my thought regarding today's topic. And the today's topic is job versus business. That means what is better. So before going to tell regarding this topics, I would like to say, the purpose of those both two things, a job, either business, the purpose is same, to earn money, because money is very required to survive our life nowadays. So in whatever it may be, a job or business, there is a some advantage and some disadvantage. Both are in risks, and I think for job, for any satisfactory job, you require degrees. But in business we require, I think, knowledge and side by side money. There are so many persons in this world. They have start their business, uh, very small step, very small amount, with very small amount. But now at the present situation, they can achieve the pinnacle of success. So that's why I think that's why I think that, no doubt, whatever it may be, if the person is depend on the person, if I want to say the advantage of job, job is very, everybody wants to safe and secure life, safe and secure income. And not only that, in job, in job there is a limited limited time to work. You can spend your time, your expert time with your family. And in job, no need to think in multiply field. You just obey a rule, is just obey the rule as the rule of your boss, whatever he says, you just obey the rule. But if I going to tell about in business there is a no boundary, there is a no limit of income. Or not only that, there is a no bound of any age. And if you have knowledge, if you have knowledge, and you have some money, you can start your business anywhere, whether it may be from your home or other place, and one more thing which I would like to say, that you know in business is the business is not to fulfill your desire. Business and, or not, it is for those person who influence to see the other business. You have to understand, you have to learn the demand of market, you have to understand the demand of public, the value of the market. If you thinking in this way, I think then you can desire to become a successful business.
Okay.
Otherwise there are
Yeah,
so many people.
Yeah, I got it. I think Ranjit sir also supported business. Am I right?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Yeah, Hema, means what is your opinion? Rishabh told about job is better, and Ranjit sir told about like means business is better. So what is your opinion? Yeah.
No, my
Good
opinion was
evening to
that
all.
business is better.
Okay. You also supported business.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Hema,
Yes.
Good evening to all. My name is Hima Yadav, and in my point of view, sir, job is better than business, because whenever we go anywhere, like any friend's marriage and any other relation, we go. So the most of the conversation start from what is your name and what do you do. Then if we have any job, so we can proudly say I am that. I am police officer, I am an engineer, I am a doctor, and I am a teacher. Proudly say you can, and it makes your personality glorious. So that is one reason. And if we are doing business, we are starting business, so we don't have anything for saying that what I'm doing. And the second, another thing is that the package and earning. If we are doing job, so definitely we will get income. We don't need to be worry about our income or package. And third thing is that if we are doing job, so we are doing job anywhere, in our office, in our school, we find our seniors and some experienced person. So we get chance to learn many new things from them. But in a business, we only think that I am owner. Many times we are not perfect person. Many times we don't know what is right, what is wrong, but we always do that I am doing that is right. But in a job, we learn many things, and we also refine ourselves. And if we are doing job, so there is there is time limit, that you have to only work 9 or 8 hours, 4 or 6 hours, and after then you can enjoy your life. But in a business, you have to think and you have to work all time on your about your business. And you in that period, you forget you have family, you have wife, you have husband, they also need you, but you just focused on your business. So that's why many times they lost that time to spend their family also. And yeah, and if I talk about business, so it is not easy to start a new business. It is not easy as we think, as we say that business is better, business, we can do business. It's not easy. Firstly, we should have a lot of amount to start a new business. And then also there is not any guarantee that our business will get a success. It may be failure. So in many times we have many examples. Some person, they are businessmen and they are starting new business, and they spent their whole income, their whole savings, and also their property they spent in a business. And after then they got a big loss, and then they got frustrated, and many times they got suicide, that types, and after then their family that is alone. So I think yeah, and men, yeah, it is definitely it is the ratio that in a business failure person's ratio percentage is too much than successes. And if you are doing job, you don't have to think about too much, you don't have to take a too much burden of work on your shoulders. You are enjoying your life, you are
Okay.
doing just work, because not only earning money, not only doing work, that is not life.
Yeah,
We should enjoy our life.
Hema,
so,
Hema. Okay, okay,
yeah, Ranjit
Yeah,
sir,
yeah.
you
okay,
have
okay.
a,
Ramnesh, sir.
yeah. Ranjit sir.
Actually, I have a question to Hema. I have a question to Hema. I would like to know from him that she said that job is easier. Job is easier than business. Business is so risky. I want to know from her that do you think that there is no risk in job? Do you think is job is very easier to achieve? There are so many good jobs. I think in IT sectors, IS, IPS, they are all job. But it's to achieve all this rank, to achieve all this job, it's not so easy. It's lot.
Yeah, yeah.
It's need lot of hard work. And
Yes, yes.
Hema, Hema, one more thing you mentioned that job you can, but I would like to say that that business can create job. Business can create job. Well, job cannot create any business.
Yes,
There are
yes.
so many people. I can explain that there are Bill Gates,
Yes,
Ratan Tata, Dhirubhai
yes,
Ambani, they are achieved their pinnacle of success, and they are a businessman. But many degree holders, they are doing jobs under his under command. So what do you think regarding this?
yes, I am agree to you, and I'm not saying that business is bad, but if you are ready to take risk, then you can do
Yeah, yeah.
business. But a
This
job
is
is
the main thing which I would like to say.
if you are
That
ready to risk,
if you are able to take the risk,
yes, yes,
if you are
and you are
able to
ready
take
to
the
take
risk,
risk
if you are
mentally and
able,
physically, you
yeah,
are ready. Then you can start business. And I,
yeah.
if you are doing job, then also you can start other business with a job,
Yeah,
because
Rishabh, you
job is
have any idea? You can also participate. Rishabh.
A good discussion is going on.